Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a true powerhouse of sound, the Roland INTEGRA-7 SuperNATURAL sound module. This isn't just any sound module, it's a flagship instrument designed to be the heart of any serious studio or live setup, packing an astonishing array of sonic possibilities into a sleek, black plastic chassis measuring approximately 18.9 by 10.4 by 3.6 inches. Right off the bat, one of the most impressive aspects of the INTEGRA-7 is its sheer volume of sounds. We're talking over 6,000 sounds built right in, offering an incredible palette for any musical genre or production need. But it's profoundly about quality, thanks to Roland's cutting-edge SuperNATURAL sound engine. This technology, coupled with enhanced behavior modeling, truly sets the INTEGRA-7 apart. It allows for incredibly expressive acoustic instruments, capturing the nuances and subtle articulations of a real performance with breathtaking accuracy. Imagine strings that bow and resonate like the real thing, or brass instruments responding to dynamics with authentic growls and swells. This isn't just sample playback, it's a dynamic, living sound experience. For those familiar with Roland's legacy, the inclusion of all 12 must-have SRX expansion sound libraries built right in is a monumental feature. These were once highly sought-after and expensive expansion cards, and having them all readily available within the INTEGRA-7 adds immense value and a vast collection of classic and contemporary sounds to your arsenal. It's like having a comprehensive history of Roland's best sounds at your fingertips. Beyond the sounds themselves, the INTEGRA-7 offers incredible flexibility in how those sounds are shaped and mixed. It provides dedicated multi-effects and EQ for each of its 16 parts, allowing for intricate sound design and precise mixing right within the module. This means you can sculpt each individual instrument or layer with its own unique processing without relying solely on external gear or software. For the rhythm section, there's even more dedicated power, a compressor and EQ, usable 6 simultaneously, specifically for drums, along with ambience parameters for the SuperNATURAL drum kits. This level of control ensures your drum tracks sound punchy, polished, and perfectly placed in the mix. Managing all this power is made easier with the INTEGRA-7 editor, available for both Mac and Windows. This software provides a visual interface for diving deep into sound editing, managing patches, and configuring the module, making the workflow smooth and intuitive. The Roland INTEGRA-7 truly stands as a testament to comprehensive sound design and performance, offering a professional-grade solution for anyone seeking an expansive, high-quality sound palette with unparalleled expressive capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.